This kit is a tool to determine data for a proper depth or alluvial filtration scale-up. For our customers, it is important to find the right filter grade at an early stage of their product development and to be able to predict as precisely as possible whether the chosen grade will still be the right solution later on a larger scale. And that is exactly what can be achieved with this kit. Here in front we have the PuraSpin, the spinner for depth and alluvial filtration in the centrifuge. You can either perform the depth filtration or an alluvial filtration in the centrifuge. If no centrifuge is available, the spinner can also be used with a vacuum pump via the Lure-Lock adapter. In total, there are 10 pieces of PuraSpin, 2 of each grade of filter available in the kit. The option range from coarse filtration to sterile filtration with the CH145. If a particularly large filtration capacity is required because media with a high titer, like for example CHO cells, are to be filtered, alluvial filtration can also be carried out here. The 4 containers with different degrees of filter aids are intended for this purpose. Next to it, you can find 7 colorfully printed boxes with different grades of PuraFix sheets, from coarse filtration to sterile filtration. In the second step, you can check the obtained results with the 2-inch capsule. To do this, remove the capsule holder and open the screws. Depending on whether you want to carry out sheet filtration or alluvial filtration, the capsule is assembled with the flat top part for sheet filtration and for alluvial filtration with a higher top part with space for the cake to build up. Place the filter sheet, which has already proven to be the most promising, between the base part and the top part, with the bumpy side facing upwards. Then assemble the capsule and put it in the capsule holder. Now, the capsule can be connected to the pump to filter the medium or the medium filter aid mixture. In the little box, you can find caps to close the vent of the alluvial capsule. And here on the lid, removable information on the products, the procedure, and the scale-up calculation, as well as important tips and tricks. In the third step, the scale-up calculation can now take place. The obtained results can be scaled up to the production scale. This way you know which filter grade you need for the production scale, regardless of whether the PuraFix sheet is installed in a filter press, a standard module, or a single-use BioSD module. This minimizes both costs and risks when optimizing the manufacturing process.